हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग देख रहे होंगे कि आज मैं हूँ गेटवे पे और आज है 25 नवंबर
9 दिसंबर
2020
2020
और अभी भी बॉम्बे की हालत ये है कि मास्क लगाना ज़रूरी है, नहीं लगाएंगे तो 2000 रुपये फ़ाइन है। तो आप देख लो, अब ये हालत है। गेटवे पे देख लीजिए कि कितने लोग हैं। यहाँ पर बहुत ही कम लोग आए हैं और ऐसे ही और शायद कुछ दिन तक हम लोगों को झेलना पड़ेगा ये, जब तक कि पूरी तरह ये जाता नहीं है, तब तक कोरोना नहीं जाएगा, तब तक हम लोग ऐसे ही रहेंगे। दोस्तों देखिए, अभी एक बोट गई और दूसरी बोट आ रही है। आपको बहुत दूर दूर बहुत सारी बोट्स दिख रही होंगी। तो अभी मैं यहाँ बैठ गया हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए। मास्क निकाल देता हूँ, चूँकि यहाँ पे कोई देख नहीं रहे। थोड़ी देर के लिए मास्क निकाल सकते हैं। और ये है ताजमहल होटल और ये है गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। ताजमहल होटल एंड गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। मालूम नहीं आपको कितना दिखाई दे रहा है, कितना नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है। ये देख लीजिए, बहुत सारी बोट्स समुंदर के अंदर है। टूरिस्ट बहुत कम हैं, लेकिन बोट्स बहुत ज़्यादा है। नॉर्मल डेज में यहाँ पे बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट रहते हैं, लेकिन अभी आपको बहुत ही कम टूरिस्ट दिखाई दे रहे हैं। ये बॉम्बे का सबसे फेमस टूरिस्ट पॉइंट है, ताजमहल होटल और गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया। दोस्तों, मैं अब आपको ले चलता हूँ स्टूडियोज़।
Always gone with it. I was also in the managing committee for 1 or 2 years, and it is a great organization, not only in academics but even in cricket and all sorts of other extracurricular activities. It's a wonderful organization, and I think WHO has really acknowledged it in the corona care in this COVID time. So I think it's hats off to most of you people. Most of you are there on today's talk. I did nothing. All of so I really appreciate and thank you very much, and thank GSK also for hosting this. So today I'll just talking about basic things. First, I'll talk on acute fever, some approach to a fever case, which is, I think, as Vinod said, one of the most common thing which you must try to learn, and some of the common fevers which we talk and how we approach, and then the last 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, I'll speak on COVID, because that's not unfortunately there as a slideshow here, but I think we must speak about it because it is a fever and it is a pandemic now. So what is fever? When the temperature is more than 37 degrees in centigrade or 98.9 in the morning or a little more in the evening. The 0.4 variation is there. A 0.4 can be there in variation in the day and the night, and it can be slightly more in the when you do rectal temperature. These other first ones are the oral temperature. If you do rectal temperature, as it is done in children, they are slightly more. The important thing is it's not only the common thing, but it is one session comes with fever, it is not infection. It's not just that fever means antibiotics, antivirals, and that's it. No, it can be because of drug reaction, it can be because of malignancy, it can be rheumatological disorder, and one which we are dealing with. This pandemic this coronavirus is behaving completely different from even other viral infections. This is the one viral infection where the lymphocyte counts are dropping. and the lower the lymphocyte count, the more severe is the COVID. So this is one very peculiar thing which I want to stress here. X-ray chest, pneumonias, TBs, I mean, effusions, anything will be picked up on an X-ray chest. So good quality digital X-ray chest is mandatory as a basic investigation. Renal functions, you can get acute renal failures in dengue, you can get in leptospirosis, or you can get it in an acute pyelonephritis or direct acute infection of the kidneys.
Yeah, favipiravir is a useless drug, and every patient should be put on remdesivir, and irrespective of the comorbidities, all patients should be put on Clexane. How far this is correct?
No, this is an individual opinion. This is an individual opinion.
You know the patient, if I'm just asking you.
I know the patient. No, but that doctor did not say it is a useless drug. Please note, he said for that particular patient, when
but without a HRCT or anything, he immediately started the patient on remdesivir, saying that अरे नहीं फेवी कुछ काम नहीं करता है, useless है, overestimated drug है, ऐसा है वैसा है.
See, Rajesh bhai, there is a very thin line here. If there is a patient of, say, a young patient, a moderately young patient, or not without any morbid conditions, or maybe you and me, who maybe at my age, but I've got a slight fever, I don't have any cough, I got a slight cough maybe, but my oxygen levels are low, are normal, even on walking up and down. So I see no reason for me to get admitted and take remdesivir.
So the top 5 common problems which women face and they visit the doctors are the menstrual problems, the vaginal discharge and the STR, the infertility, high-risk pregnancy, ovarian cyst, and the abnormal uterine bleeding, and so on the list. This is the asymptomatic cyst, which I already told. So the CA-125 and the transvaginal ultrasound form the gold standard in ruling out any CA ovary in any reproductive age group. And pap smear and the ultrasound form the gold standard in dealing and diagnosing any case of a cervical cancer. Breast cancers is not my area, but since I do see young girls with diseases such as the fibroadenosis or the fibroadenoma, and elderly women who come across, whom we come across are any abnormal breast discharge. So all these should be evaluated further by doing ultrasonomammography and should be sent to a general surgeon for further evaluation. So I thank you all. I hope I have been able to touch all the aspects of my talk, and I would like to thank MD MPA and GSK Pharma for giving me this opportunity.
कभी-कभी अतिथि जिंदगी में कोई अच्छा लगता है.
Thank you sir.
अदिति फुलबगर मैडम.
How sir गाते हैं.
Yeah, really enjoyed your lecture.
હા હમણાં કોઈ નથી નીચે બોલાય અને બસ વિચાર આવ્યો એટલે હમણાં
બાંધી પાયલ
રે કેમ હા સર
दे चला आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है, आज फिर जीने की तमन्ना है, आज फिर मरने का इरादा है.
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
अभी त्रिदीप सर का हो जाएगा गाना.
और एक उसका वेरी ओल्ड सॉन्ग जो आप सब जानते हो उसका ही पिक्चर है, तो ट्राई करता हूँ. सुनो. चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे के तले
जहाँ गम भी न हो
आंसू बिना बस प्यार ही प्यार पले आंचल
एक ऐसे गगन के तले
जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो
आंसू
बस
भी ना हो बस
प्यार ही
प्यार ही
प्यार पले
बढ़िया सर, बहुत बढ़िया।
आशा का सवेरा जागे जहाँ रंग बिरंगी पंछी सवेरा
आगे
धूप खिले कहीं छाँव मिले लंबी सी डगर न ढले
हम
आंसू भी न हो,
बस
बस प्यार
प्यार ही प्यार पले ऐसे गगन के तले
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
गगन
Very
Good,
nice.
too good.
अच्छा,
Too good.
Thank you, Aditi.
Yeah. Long time overdue, ma'am.
Long
Yeah,
time awaited.
long time
Sir,
overdue.
last 5 minutes. I would like to request GSK Pharma for give vote of thanks. There is a Rakhi Sharma who is with us.
Yes, sir. I'm Rakhi Sharma from GSK. I work as area
Welcome.
business manager. Dr. Rajesh Kokani, Dr. Vinod Jain, and Dr. Singh to give us this platform of MDMP. And it was such, both the sessions were so interesting by Dr. Trideep, Dr. Aditi, and this was really a surprise by song by Dr. Aditi. Madam, you really sing very well. You have very sweet voice, madam. Thank you, Dr. Trideep.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
And what about
Thank
Dr. 3D Chatterjee?
He is real Kishore Kumar.
सर वो दिल से किशोर कुमार है हमारा।
अरे बाबा, I was enjoying the song.
अरे बाबा
Singing.
सर मैं आपको सुबह से इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, आप आइए जरा स्क्रीन पे।
Shiv, your
So nice to see you, sir. So nice to see you back.
Nice to see you, sir.
What a pleasure, sir.
सर ये किधर का फोटो है आपका, घर का है कि सर?
घर पे आज घर पे आ गए।
अच्छा अच्छा।
Sir, nice to see you.
This was-
I think this was one of the first webinars which you can call something like infotainment, both information and entertainment.
And
Yes,
sir.
yes, yes,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Naki, from the first day of his admission, I prayed to my God, Vitthal and Swami Samar, because he should come very early and back to home. So we all pray for the same thing, and as we prayed, he came back to home, and he will take rest for further few days.
Sir, it's
Superb.
always pleasure to be associated with MDMPA.
Yeah. नहीं, really.
Sir,
Yeah.
Aditi ma'am, superb था आज का lecture.
हाँ मैडम, to the point and up to the best.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Very elaborate, very nice. 2 lecture एक में किया आपने मैम, सब कुछ cover कर दिया।
Aditi, great take home message. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice
Okay.
day, all
Thank
of you.
Nice.
Bye everybody, bye.
Bye.